Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope everybody will have an awesome Sunday. I'm here making a quick breakfast. It's late, but it's going to be a quick and healthy breakfast. I have some spinach, some onion, some red bell pepper, 2 eggs, some mozzarella cheese, salt, and black pepper. So I'm going to be making cheesy, yummy spinach scrambled eggs. So let's go. So here I have roughly chopped my spinach and diced up my bell pepper and onion. And let me show you guys my nails. So this past weekend on Friday was Pregnancy and Infant Loss Awareness Day. So for any angel mom out there that is watching my video, I am standing strong with you guys. I know this is not a topic that is talked about much, but I feel like more awareness needs to be spread on it. So to any angel mom, I'm standing strong with you and supporting with you. So here I have my eggs. I'm just gonna add some black pepper, as much as you like. And I'm gonna add some pink Himalayan salt. I'm not gonna put a lot because we're gonna add that mozzarella cheese. And then I'm gonna whisk it with my fork. And then we're gonna get cooking. So I'm gonna add my spinach, bell pepper, and onion to my oil first. I just put a little bit of oil, not a lot. And I'm gonna let that saute for a bit. I'm just gonna add a dollop of minced garlic, not a lot, just a little bit. And this just is a serving for one person. And this is what we have so far, and I'm gonna add my eggs. I'm just gonna turn down my heat on low. It was on medium high. Bring it down a bit. So you can either have this by itself, or if you want to add it on toast, you can do that as well. Or if you want to add it with some fruits, that would be nice as well. Then I'm about to add my mozzarella cheese. If I can open it, I don't think it's open. I'm about to add my cheese, not a lot. That should be enough. At this point, I'm going to turn off my stove. And I'll come back and show you guys how I plate it all up. So here we have my finished plated product. I serve it with some strawberries, some white grapes or green grapes, and this is my really cheesy scrambled spinach egg. I serve it with 1/2 of cinnamon raisin bagel. And this is my yummy healthy breakfast for this Sunday morning. I will have it with a cup of hot chocolate. I don't do coffee. Thank you guys for watching this quick video with me. all that cheesiness. This is so yummy and healthy and delicious, guys. I hope you guys have a happy and blessed Sunday.